Good evening. Today we will discuss topic of 9th standard chapter number 20 parameter and area of plane figures. In previous video we have already done exercise 20A. Today we will discuss about exercise 20C because 20B is not in our syllabus. Okay, so first we discuss about some basic concept of this exercise. First is circumference of a circle. This exercise related with circle. First is circumference of a circle. What is circumference of a circle? Students, we know that pi equal to its circumference divided by its diameter. पाई की वैल्यू क्या होती है? सर्कमफ्रेंस को अगर डायमीटर से डिवाइड करें तो हमारी क्या निकलती है? पाई निकलती है. Now we take its circumference and its diameter multiply with pi, then pi multiply its diameter. Pi multiply with diameter is 2 times of radius 2r and that equal to 2 pi r. Then circumference of a circle equal to 2 pi r. We take the value pi 22 by 7 and sometime we take it 3.14 and this is approximate. Not complete value of pi is 3.14. This is only approximate value because pi is an irrational number. It is not terminated. Next is second, area of a circle. Area of a circle, there is a result for area of circle pi r square. R is the radius of the circle. And third is when this type of portion means a ring type. This is a ring type. This is a bigger circle and this is a smaller circle. A small r is the radius of small circle and capital R is the radius of an outer circle, means bigger circle. Then area bounded by two circle means this shaded portion equal to area of this portion equal to pi r square minus pi r square, means area of outer circle minus area of inner circle. This equal to, if we take pi common, that is r square minus r square and this is the area of a ring. Okay, if ring is given then this is the area of a ring. Now question number first of exercise 20C. The diameter of a circle is 28 centimeter. Find its circumference and its area. There is given diameter of a circle. Let D equal to diameter of a circle and this is 28 centimeter. Let R be the radius. R be the radius of a circle. Then if diameter 28 centimeter, then radius equal to half of diameter 28 by 2 and this is 14 centimeter. Okay. In first part we find circumference. What is the circumference? Circumference is 2 pi r. Circumference of circle equal to 2 pi r and this equal to 2 into pi into r, in place of r 14 and this equal to 14 to 28 pi. We put value of pi 28 into pi in place of pi, that is 22 by 7, 7 1 7 4, then this equal to 88 centimeter. This is the 88 centimeter. This is the circumference of a circle. And in second part we find out area of a circle. Same as it is r radius and radius equal to 14 centimeter. Then area of a circle, this equal to pi r square, in place of pi 22 by 7 r square 14 into 14, 7 1 7 2. Then we multiply 22 multiply with 28 and this equal to, if we multiply 22 with 28 then this equal to this multiplication equal to 616 and this is the area and the unit of area square meter square centimeter and radius in centimeter, so area equal to 616 square centimeter. Okay, next is question number 4. Question number 4, the radii of two circle. Radii is the plural of a radius. If one circle, that is radius, if two circles, radius, that is a array. The radius of two circles are 25 centimeter and 18 centimeter. There are two circle, radius of first circle 25, radius of second circle 18 centimeter. Find the radius of the circle which has circumference equal to the sum of the circumference of these two circles. We find the radius of another circle with circumference equal to the circumference of these two circles. So first radius of first circle equal to 25 centimeter. Then circumference 2 into pi into r, 2 pi r, 2 into pi as it is, you take pi as it is and in place of r 25, that is 50 pi. Okay, 50 pi is the circumference of a first circle. Then the radius of second circle equal to 18 centimeter. Then circumference of second circle equal to 2 pi r, in place of r 18, and this equal to 36 pi. Okay, and let r be the radius of resulting circle. We find the radius of another circle. Let r be the radius of resulting circle. Then circumference of this circle 2 pi r. But there is a relation between this circumference. This equal to sum of both the circumference, that is 2 pi r equal to 50 pi plus 36 pi. 2 pi r equal to 50 plus 36 pi, that is 86 pi. Pi to pi cancel. 2r equal to 86 and r equal to 86 by 2, and that is 43. And r in a centimeter. So radius of resulting circle is 43 centimeter. Next question number 6. Question number 6. The diameters of two circles are 32 centimeter and 24 centimeter. Here diameter given of two circles. Find the radius of the circle having its area equal to the sum of the areas of the two given circle. There is given diameter. First we find radius of first circle and radius of second circle. Same. Radius of first circle equal to, if diameter is 32 then radius is 16, half of 32, 16 centimeter. Its area of first circle pi r square, 16 square. Okay, pi r square, and 16 square equal to 256 pi. This is the area of first circle. Radius of second circle equal to, radius of second circle, diameter of second 24, then radius is 12 centimeter. Okay, and area of second circle pi r square, 144 pi. Let r be the radius of the resulting circle. Let r be the radius of resulting circle. Then area of resulting circle equal to pi r square, but there is given relation with the area. Pi r square equal to sum of the area of these two circle, 256 pi plus 144 pi. Okay, and this equal to 256 plus 144, this equal to 400 pi. Pi r square equal to 400 pi. Pi to pi cancel. R square equal to 400 and r equal to 20. Radius of resulting circle is 20 cm. Okay. Next is question number 8. Question number 8. A circle of largest area is cut from a rectangular piece of cardboard with dimensions 55 centimeter and 42. That is, if this is a rectangular cardboard, then length and breadth are given. Find the ratio between the area of the circle cut and the area of the remaining cardboard. Let first we make a figure of this question. We have a cardboard in shape of rectangle. Let this is a cardboard in shape of a rectangle. This is the length and breadth. Length is 55 centimeter and breadth is 42 centimeter. Okay. A circle of largest area is cut from. अगर हम बड़े से बड़ा सर्कल भी काटेंगे तो जो उसकी डायमीटर होगा वो हमारी ब्रेड्थ के इक्वल हो सकता है, मीन्स छोटी साइड के अकॉर्डिंग हो सकता है. तो मान लो हमने बड़े से बड़ा सर्कल हमने ऐसे कट कर दिया. ओके, बड़े से बड़ा सर्कल ये हो सकता है. द लार्जेस्ट सर्कल एंड डायमीटर ऑफ द लार्जेस्ट सर्कल इक्वल टू दिस इज अ ब्रेड 42 सेंटीमीटर. ओके, सो रेडियस ऑफ दिस सर्कल 21 सेंटीमीटर. व्हाट वी find the ratio between the area of the circle. First we find the area of circle and area of the remaining cardboard. Next we find the area of the remaining part. First we find area of complete cardboard, means area of a rectangle. Area of a rectangle, and we find area of a circle. Area of rectangle means length into breadth. Area of rectangle cardboard equal to length into breadth 55 into 40 into. Okay, and this equal to multiplication of this equal to 2310, and this is area, then square centimeter. Next we find the area of the circle. Area of the circle, the radius of the circle half of diameter. Radius of circle equal to half of 42, and then that is 21 centimeter. Okay, and area of circle equal to pi r square 21 square. Pi r square, if we put the value of pi 22 by 7 into 21 into 21. Okay, 7173, and this equal to 22 multiply with 21 3s are 63. Okay, now we multiply 22 with 63. Multiplication of 22 with 63, 138 and 6. This equal to 138 and 6, and this is given in a centimeter, so centimeter, square centimeter. Okay, this is the area of a circle. Then we find the area of remaining part. Area of remaining part means we subtract the area of circle from the area of cardboard. 2310 minus 138 and 6, and this equal to 2310 equal minus 138, and the subtraction of this 924, and this is the area, then this is also square centimeter. Now we find the ratio between the area of circle cut and the area of the remaining part. Area of circle equal to this, and ratio with 9:4 means remaining part, and we find the ratio of this, then this equal to, if we solve this, then this equal to 3:2. Okay, then the ratio between the area of circle and area of remaining part is 3:2. Next, move to next question. Question number 12. Question number 12. Find the area of a ring shaped region enclosed between two concentric circle of radius 20 centimeter and 15 centimeter. Concentric circle means center of both the circles same center. Let this is a circle, and this is also a circle, and this is the center. This is radius, and this is radius of small circle. Concentric means same center. Let this is the radius of smaller circle, this is the radius of outer circle, and there is given radius 20 and 15, that means this is 15 and this complete is 20 centimeter. Find the area of the ring. We find the area of the ring, that means area of the shaded portion. We find the area of the shaded portion, and this equal to area of outer circle minus area of inner circle. Okay, we write let R be the radius of outer circle. R equal to given 20 centimeter. Let small r be the radius of an inner circle. Let r equal to 15 centimeter. Okay, or small r equal to 15. Area of ring shaped. Area of ring equal to pi r square minus pi r square, and this equal to pi common, r square minus r square, pi r square 20 square 400 minus small r square 15 square 220. Okay, and this equal to pi into 175, and this equal to 175 pi. If we put the value of pi, then this is the area. You put the value of pi, and this is the area, and radius in centimeter, so area also in a square centimeter. This is the area of a ring. Next is question number 16. Each wheel of a car is of a diameter 80 centimeter. How many complete revolutions does each wheel make in 10 minutes when the car is traveling at a speed of 66 km per hour? Each wheel of a car is of diameter. कार का wheel है जो means पहिया, उसका diameter 80 centimeter. That means this is the diameter of a circle. Okay, if diameter of the circle, then we find the radius of the circle. Radius of the circle r equal to half of diameter 40 centimeter. How many complete revolution does each wheel make in 10 minutes? Means है टोटल कितने कंप्लीट चक्कर कंप्लीट करेगा पहिया 10 मिनट में. व्हेन द कार इज ट्रेवलिंग एट ए स्पीड ऑफ 66 किलोमीटर. कार की स्पीड गिवन है, टाइम गिवन है. स्पीड ऑफ कार equal to 66 kilometer per hour. Time 10 minutes. Speed in kilometer per hour and time is the second. So 10 minutes. So first we find a minute in hours. Then in 60 minutes 1 hour, we divide 10. 10 minutes divided by 60. That is 1/6 hour. 10 minutes equal to 1/6 hour. Okay. Speed, time. If there is speed and time given, then we find distance. Total distance traveled by a car. Okay. Total distance traveled by car equal to total distance traveled by car. Speed into time. Speed 66, time 1/6, and this is in kilometer, and this equal to 11 kilometer. 11 kilometer. Okay, this is equal to 11 kilometer. If we find kilometer in a centimeter, then we change 11 kilometer into centimeter. 11 total zeros 1 2 3 4 5. Okay, there is 5 zeros and this is in a centimeter. And next, how much complete revolution does each wheel make in 10 minutes? This is the total distance covered by 10 minutes. So first we find in one revolution how much distance cover. एक revolution में, एक चक्कर में कितना distance cover करेगा, और वो किसके बराबर 2 pi r. In 1 minute, in one revolution, distance equal to 2 pi r. 2 pi r and this equal to 2 into 22 by 7 into r, and r is 40, r is 40, and we find the multiplication of this, and this equal to, if we find the multiplication of this is 251.43 सेंटीमीटर. ओके, एक रिवॉल्यूशन में इतना डिस्टेंस कवर करता है, टोटल डिस्टेंस इतना है. जब हमने नंबर ऑफ रिवॉल्यूशन फाइंड करने हैं तो टोटल डिस्टेंस बाय इन वन रिवॉल्यूशन डिस्टेंस, टोटल डिस्टेंस, टोटल रिवॉल्यूशन, टोटल नंबर ऑफ रिवॉल्यूशन इक्वल टू total distance 1 2 3 4 sorry 5 zeros divided by 251.43. If we solve this, then we find equal to, we find if we solve this calculation, then this equal to 4375, and these are number of revolution. Okay, a car complete this 4375 revolutions in 10 minutes. Next is question number 18. Question number 18. In question number 18, the minute hand, question number 18, the minute hand of a clock is 8 centimeter long. Find the area set by the minute hand between 8:30 a.m. to 9:05 a.m. Okay, the minute hand of a clock is 8 centimeter long. There is given minute hand, length of minute hand, that means this is the radius. This is the radius of a circle. And time interval 8:30 to 9:05 a.m. Then time interval is 9:05 a.m. minus 8:30 a.m. equal to total minutes. These are total 35 minutes. Okay, this is time interval, total 35 minutes. Area covered in 1 hours means complete. 1 घंटे में पूरा चक्कर कंप्लीट करे तो इसका मतलब सर्कल के एरिया के बराबर डिस्टेंस कवर करता है. 60 मिनट में किसके इक्वल, एरिया, सर्कल के एरिया के इक्वल उसने टोटल क्या किया, एरिया कंप्लीट किया. देन एरिया कवर्ड इन 60 मिनट्स इक्वल टू एरिया ऑफ सर्कल. एरिया कवर्ड इन 60 मिनट equal to area of the circle, and area of the circle pi r square. R is 8 centimeter, because if this is a circle and this is minute hand 8 centimeter long. Okay, we take this radius pi r square 8 square. Okay, area covered in 60 minute equal to pi into 8 square. Area, and we find the multiplication of this pi into 8 square. If we solve this 201 square centimeter, this is the area. Okay, in 60 minute area covered 201 square centimeter. In 1 minute area covered equal to 201 by 60, and in 35 minute area covered in 1 minute, this area covered in 35 minute equal to multiply 35. 201 by 60 multiply in 3. Okay, we find the multiplication of this. If we solve this calculation, then this equal to 117.3, and this is the area. So this in square centimeter. In 35 minute area covered in 35 minute 117.3 square centimeter. Okay, next question is question number 21. Question number 21. The cost of fencing a circular field at the rate of 240 rupees per meter is total 52,800. The field is to be plowed at the rate of 12.50 per square meter. Find the cost of plowing the field. Cost of fencing, fencing की cost है किसको? सर्कुलर फील्ड को। और फेंसिंग कहाँ पे होती है बच्चे? फेंसिंग होती है उसके पैरामीटर पे। अगर अपना ये क्या है कोई भी सर्कुलर फील्ड, तो फेंसिंग कहाँ होगी? इसके पैरामीटर पे। ओके। कॉस्ट ऑफ फेंसिंग एट द रेट ऑफ 240 पर मीटर, 1 मीटर पर 240। और टोटल कॉस्ट गिवन कि अगर टोटल कॉस्ट को 1 मीटर की कॉस्ट से डिवाइड करेंगे तो हमें क्या मिलेगा? पैरामीटर। पैरामीटर मीन्स सर्कमफ्रेंस। ओके। टोटल कॉस्ट ऑफ fencing equal to 52,800 and 1 meter cost of fencing 240. Then circumference of circle equal to total cost divided by 2. Okay, then cancel out this. We solve this. If we solve this, cancel out, then complete this equal to 220. Okay, 220 in centimeter. This is the circumference. And circumference, if r be the radius, then circumference 2 pi r 220 and r equal to 220 by 2 pi, and this is 22 by 7. Okay, 22 cancel to 1 to 5, then r equal to 35. Radius of the circle is 35 centimeter. Next, the field is to be plowed at the rate of 12.50 per square meter. 1 स्क्वायर मीटर पर जो बुआई वगैरह का खर्च है वो कितना है? 12.50. और कॉस्ट ऑफ प्लोइंग, हमने पूरी कॉस्ट फाइंड आउट करनी है। इसका मतलब फर्स्ट वी फाइंड द एरिया ऑफ द सर्कल. Okay, we find the area of the field means area of a circle. Area of circle equal to pi r square, pi 22 by 7 into r, 35 into 35, 7175. We solve the multiply of 22, 5 and 35. 22 this equal to 3850 square meter. Okay, this is the area of the circle. Next, 1 square meter cost given, we find the complete square meter cost. Then the cost of plowing the field will be x square meter multiply complete cost complete area 3850 multiply 12.50, and this equal to, we solve the multiplication of this, and this multiplication equal to 48,125, and these are in rupees. These are rupees 48,125. Okay, the next question. Next question is question number 24. Question number 24. A square is inscribed in a circle of radius 7 centimeter. Find the area of the square. A square is inscribed in a circle of radius 7 centimeter. There is a circle, okay, and a square is inscribed in a circle means this is a circle. In a circle, radius of the circle 7 centimeter. This is the center of the circle, and this is a 7 centimeter. If we join this is the diameter of the circle. This is the diameter of the circle, 7 and 7, and this equal to 14 centimeter. Okay, and 14 centimeter is the diagonal of this square. Let a side of square x, side of square x. We find the area of the square. For this we find the first we find the side of square. Let a side of square equal to x, then this is 90 degree angle. because all angle of square equal to 90 degree. Then this is base, perpendicular and hypotenuse. Then with the help of Pythagoras, x square plus x square equal to 14 square. 2x square equal to 14 square. 14 square equal to 196. Okay, 14 square equal to 196. 196 and x square equal to 196 divided by into 2 1 2 9 and 8. Okay, x square equal to 98 and x equal to root 98. X equal to root 98. We find the area of the square. Area of square, and area of square equal to side into side, side into side, and side equal to x, x into x, and this equal to x in place of x root 90 and x into x, x square, and value of x square equal to 98. So 98 square centimeter. Okay, area of square equal to 98 square centimeter. The next question. Question number 25. Question number 25. A metal wire, when bent in the form of an equilateral triangle of largest area, encloses an area of this. अगर हम एक वायर से बड़े से बड़ी ट्रायंगल बनाए, इक्विलेटरल ट्रायंगल, तो एरिया गिवन है इक्विलेटरल ट्रायंगल का. मीन्स अगर हमने एक तार से वायर से क्या बने, इक्विलेटरल ट्रायंगल, ऑल साइड ऑफ इक्विलेटरल ट्रायंगल इक्वल, लेट ए be the side of an equilateral triangle, and this is the area. So with the help of this area we find the side of equilateral triangle. Area of equilateral triangle equal to area of equilateral triangle. We have a result in first part of this chapter. Area of equilateral triangle root 3 by 4 a square. A is the side of the square, and root 3 by 4 a square, and area is given 484 into root 3. Root 3 cancel, then a square equal to 484 multiply with 4. Okay, then a square equal to 484 multiply 4, and a is root of this. Root of this. If we find the root of this 484 multiply 4, then this equal to 44. This equal to 44, and A is the side of the triangle, then 44 centimeter. Okay. Next, if the same wire is bent into the form of a circle. अगर इसी वायर का हमने सर्कल बना दिया, तो पहले हम इस वायर की क्या निकालेंगे, लेंथ. लेंथ ऑफ द वायर, सम ऑफ ऑल साइड्स. then लेंथ of wire equal to sum of three side 44 plus 44 plus 44, 44 plus 44 plus 44, because all side are equal. 4 4 12 144 and 4 12 130 into. Okay, 132. This is the length of complete wire. Length of wire equal to 132 centimeter. और इसी लेंथ से अब क्या बना दिया, सर्कल. अब इसी लेंथ से हमने क्या बनाया है, सर्कल. इसका मतलब दिस इज द 132 इज द लेंथ ऑफ वायर, एंड दिस इज द सर्कमफ्रेंस ऑफ द सर्कल. सो लेट आर इज द रेडियस ऑफ सर्कल. Then circumference 2 pi r, and 2 pi r is the circumference. This is the length of side. Complete means parameter 132, and r equal to 132 by 2 into 22 and 7. Okay, 2 1 2 6 again 2 6 22 and 3 7 3 21. 21 is the radius of the circle, 21 centimeter. But we find the area of the circle, large circle, area of the circle, and area of the circle equal to pi r square. So area of the circle, area of circle equal to pi r square. pi 22 by 7 into r square. R is 21. 7 1 7 and 3. Then multiplication of 22 and 63. Multiplication of 22 and 63, 1 3 8 and 6. Okay. Multiplication of this equal to 1386, and this is the area of the circle. So this is a square centimeter. Area of the circle is 1386 square centimeter. Okay student, this is exercise 20C. So with the help of this video you complete your exercise, and this chapter is complete.